Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. And again, this is the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description below, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. All right, so we're doing number 273 today. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here. So 3, 8, 3 here, so 7, 8, and 7, 8. So the only place our 3 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 5, 1. We look at this column, we're missing 1, no, we have a 1. We're missing 3 and 8. I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here, 7 here, so 2, 8. 7 here, and that 3, so 2, 8. 7 here, so 2, 3, 8. 2 here. Well, if we look back, the only place our 7 can be for that box is here. That 7 makes us our 8, 7. Get rid of this 8, and now if we look at this box, the only place our 3 can be is here. For this row now, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 6. No help here. 2, 4, 6. 4 and 6 here. So that makes this our 2. We can get rid of this 2. And for this row here, we're missing 2, 8, and 9, but the 9 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. That 8 means this is our 5, 8. For this box now, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so our 6 is here. 2 here, so 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8. I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column, looks like we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8, and I still don't see any help. So 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 5. That makes us our 8, 3. That 5 makes us our 8, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. And to finish out this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.